Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Lenovo laptop. This is a Lenovo ThinkPad T470s model. And in this video I'm going to go over how you can remove the keyboard for your laptop or just replace it. If you have dropped some liquid or some keys are not working or damaged, you can replace it really easy, unlike any other brand which they make it really impossible. This one is super easy. You can do it under, I would say, 4 or 5 minutes tops. I'm going to go over that. Just remember, by removing the keyboard, you're not going to change anything in the configuration. You can get a different layout for different languages with no problem. I'll leave the link for the tools I'll use and for the compatible keyboard. This is just a demonstration. So first thing first, you want to power off the laptop. You want to flip it upside down. And down here, we're going to grab one screwdriver, a Phillips #1. I will be using a fixed screwdriver set. Now down here, we want to rotate this screw right here counterclockwise to the counterclockwise to a half a turn, and then this line becomes facing to the unlock right here. And then you want to flip it over. You want to open up the screen. Now you want to grab a guitar pick or something like this. It's not sharp or anything like that. There's a tiny hooks in here, one right in here and one right by the windows. You want to, without pushing the keys down or anything like that, make sure all the keys are up normally. And then you want to push this one gently towards the back, and you're going to see the whole thing goes. Same thing in here, just a little bit. This one already went when I pushed that one on. Now you want to switch to a Phillips #0. Now you're going to see a whole bunch of screws in here. One right between the under the shift, one right by the P, one under the L, between T and F, between S and E, and between under the X. So you want to loosen up this screw. The screws will not come out, they just get loosened up. So pretty much you loosen up. There's the other one I can see. One between T. So pretty much loosen up all these screws. Once the screws are loosened up, you want to grab the guitar pick and you want to put it underneath and just lift it up from here. Once you have it up, don't yank it up. You want to bring it in 45 degrees towards yourself and then flip it over just like this until you see these connectors down here. You can use a tweezer or a spatula or your fingernails, put it under this tiny latch right there and lift it up 90 degrees upward. Let me see, I'll do my fingers. There we go, 90 degrees up. Same thing on the other one, 90 degrees up. We're just putting it, lifting it up 90 degrees. And then what you want to do, you want to slide this flex cable towards yourself, these two, and it will come out loose. So there's how you can replace the keyboard. The part number will be at the back if you want to get an identical. It says model number TH space BL-84US. That's a US version. So you have a Spanish version, it will be LA for Latin America and different stuff. So get the keyboard that you want. That they should come out with the screws, right? You want to grab this new keyboard, put it in this position like this on the down here, and then you in 45-degree angle, and you want to slide down the flex cable for trackpad, and then you want to put the flex cable straight in for the keyboard. And while you're holding it with your one finger, you want to lock it down, bring the lock over, and gently you want to flip it over, don't pull it up, and then bring it up, and then you want to go back down under the palm rest in 45-degree angle, and then you want to push it down gently, don't push too much, hold it down, and then tighten up the screws right in here. Again, you got a Phillips #1, no, it has to be #0. So the screws, they do have to grab it, just move it around a little bit. Okay. I doubted that I missed any, but all the screws are in place. All right. Once you have all the screws in place, simply you want to grab this hook right there and bring it towards the front end. Simply like that. Once you're done with that, all you need to do, power it off, flip it upside down, and you want to grab again your Phillips #1, and you want to lock the lock so it doesn't slide back. Now you go counterwise. clockwise, clockwise, and it comes to the lock position. And that's how simple it is to replace your keyboard for your Lenovo ThinkPad T470s model. If you like this video, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.